Built to perform, a true workhorse in the kitchen, hard anodized aluminum retains perfect heat and has a much stronger protective layer than the original metal, making it corrosion and scratch resistant, plus it won't react to acidic foods. Heat Mastery System. T-fal's Heat Mastery System is a 3-ingredient recipe for perfectly delicious cooking results every time: superior and longer-lasting non-stick coating, an anti-warping, even heat base and patented THERMO-SPOT technology. THERMO-SPOT Indicator. The ring around the spot turns solid red to show when pans are perfectly preheated and ready for ingredients to be added. Proper preheating is key to sealing in flavor and cooking food evenly. Durable non-stick. Hard titanium reinforced, scratch-resistant and toxin-free non-stick interior stands up to everyday use and keeps food sliding smoothly along the surface, making cooking easier and cleanup a breeze. Riveted handles. Riveted silicone handles are designed for comfort and safety. Use and care. Suitable for all stovetops, except induction, oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, lids up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher safe, PFOA, lead, and cadmium-free, lifetime limited warranty. Weekday dinners, laid-back brunch, holiday entertaining, be prepared for life's culinary adventures with T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Toxin-Free Non-Stick Cookware. With rugged hard anodized aluminum construction, these pans also feature T-fal's Heat Mastery System, a 3-ingredient recipe for perfectly delicious cooking results every time: superior and longer-lasting non-stick coating, an anti-warping, even heat base, and patented THERMO-SPOT technology. Retains perfect heat and offers supreme resistance to corrosion, scratching, and other damage for go-to reliability every day of the week. Top reviews from the United States. Love these pans. As someone who has bought, used and discarded their fair share of pans throughout the past 5 years, I can honestly say these are the best pans I've owned ever. I was looking for anodized pans over a year ago, told my husband what I wanted, but he stayed with family who own ceramic pans, so that's what I got for Christmas last year. I detested those things. Everything stuck to them, they were impossible to clean, and within a few months, there were marks on them that I couldn't clean. The year before, I had fallen for the commercials on those copper pans. Out of all I bought, I loved the deep, square one, and that was it. I so hated the small one that my husband made eggs in. Both of these two I mention. Eggs would stick to them so bad, I would have to soak them for hours. And the rivets? Oh, the rivets. I had food in those rivets like crazy. My mom did listen to me and for Christmas bought me a set of anodized pans, just from another company. They were great, but they didn't have coated rivets. So when I had enough of all this, I stumbled across these and gave them a shot. Oh, how I wish these had been bought years ago. They are a cinch to clean, no matter what it is. From eggs to steak to burned food, lol, doesn't matter. I have not had one single thing that I could not simply wipe off and clean with no problem. The rivets? I'm in love with these rivets. They're coated so there is no food sticking to them. Things cook evenly. I've had no problems with uneven cooking. So I hand wash them. Big deal. I'd do this for the rest of my days to keep these pans, believe me. Buy these, you won't regret it.